There's a new update, guys, on how to use short videos, YouTube Shorts, to promote your long videos and use it to grow your YouTube channel really fast. YouTube introduced a new feature that allows you to connect short video to a longer video. So when a short video goes viral, it takes the long video along. If you're a new YouTuber, this is a good news for you because we are about to blow up using short videos. You already know that short videos go viral easily, and that's because YouTube promotes short videos. So in this video, we're going to explore how you can use short videos to grow your YouTube channel really fast. I have a YouTube manager. YouTube assigned one of her staff to me to help me grow my YouTube channel. We have meetings every Monday. In our meeting yesterday, he was all about using short videos. So he shared with me a new feature YouTube just introduced that allows you to connect your long videos to short videos. So when your short video goes viral, you are taking a long video alongside it. Guys, this feature is amazing and it's going to blow your mind. After our class yesterday, I know I have to share it with you because I want you to grow your own YouTube channel really fast. So if you've not been using short before now, come in here because this video is for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about what short is, 2 ways to create short videos, how to link your short video to your longer video so you can use it to promote the long video and all other things on your YouTube channel. First, what is a short video? YouTube Shorts is any video that is 59 seconds and below. It is considered short. Secondly, short videos make money for us. Yes, if your channel is monetized, while your long videos make money, short videos make money. But the thing is, it doesn't make a lot of money. But the fact that short videos go viral easily is a huge benefit. Did you know that you can monetize your YouTube channel using shorts only? Yes, if you have 1,000 subscribers and you get 10 million views on your short videos in 90 days, you can actually get monetized without watch hours. So there are 2 ways to get monetized on YouTube. The first one is to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And the second one is to get 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. So you either do watch hour or you do views on your short videos. With that said, let's talk about this new feature that YouTube introduced that helps you link your long video to your short video. Now I'm going to do that with my smartphone because I know a lot of us watching this video are doing that with your smartphone. First, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can make your short videos. I will show you how to link that short video to a longer video. And finally, I will show you yet another feature which allows you to choose the form or shape of your short videos if you are generating it from already existing video. So creating the short itself, there are 2 ways you can create short videos. First is to sit down and record the video like you do your long videos. When you're recording short videos, you need to put your phone in a portrait mode, not landscape. So when you are done, you go on to edit it and then upload it. The second way is to get a short video out of a long video. It doesn't matter whether it's an old video or a current video. You can actually extract short video out of a long video. When you are doing this, it makes sense that you actually grab the part of the video that is very interesting. So when people listen to it, they find it interesting. They want to watch the remaining part, which is where you are going to smartly connect the long video to the short one. So it makes it super easy. After watching the short video, they can now go and watch the longer video. So now that the video is ready, let's go on and do the magic using this new feature. To create short video from a already existing long video, all you need is come to your channel, select videos, and select the video you want to make a short video of. So once the video opens, all you need is select remix. And then it opens here, it says edit into a short. So select this and then 5 smart ways to get 4,000 watch hours really fast. Grow your Now this is the video. You can actually control a whole lot here. This is 15 seconds. You can actually make it smaller if you want it to be a little smaller. Like I said, make sure that this shot is being captured from the part of the video that is most interesting, because this is actually what will lead people to go watch the longer video. So you can drag this video here to find the part of the video that is most interesting that you're going to make this shot from. Once you select the part you want, next thing is to decide the layout of the video, which is how the video appears. You need to touch this layout here, and then you can go on to select how the video appears. So this is the first one. It's called single. This one is split 1, split 2, split 3, and then the last one here is square. Click on continue and allow the video to process. This is actually YouTube getting this shot off of this long video, which is amazing. So the next thing is to select this text and add caption to this video if you want to add extra caption on the video itself. So I'm going to do something like channel getting okay, now you can position this anywhere you want it. You can make it smaller or bigger. Just zoom it in or out. Position it anywhere you want. And then you click on next. So click on next for us to add the details. Now at this stage, you want to add the title video. You go on and put it here. Also remember to add hashtag too. So you select hashtag and add. The next thing is to choose the thumbnail of this video, which is what people see the first time they come in contact with this video. To do that, you need to click on this pencil icon here. So go on and drag this and select the part you want to be the thumbnail, which is the first thing people see when they come in contact with this video. You just need to go through all of this, select the part that you love so much. Just hold this and drag it to see the part that you love to make the thumbnail. So once you select the part you want to be the thumbnail, you click on this button here. And then this is our thumbnail. So next thing is to change the visibility. I'm going to select public because I want everybody to see the video. You go back here and then over here you click again on related videos. So I'm going to touch it and add this video that I am using this promote. And we are done, guys. The next is to click on upload shorts. With this, I've made short video off of this long video. So once this short video starts doing well, it's directly promoting the long video. And guys, we are done. This is the video. To show you that it actually links to the longer video, you need to touch this and it will take you straight to the main video. This is the main video. I mean, that's amazing. Let me know if you're going to try this. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.